What the kwaku na ya wana kwasi?
Ya wo me ne.
What the kwaku?
Yeah.
Enti na hu no.
Okay. But for young Democrat graphic. You find chance here.
Ese kwaku bi ade. Kwaku bi ade bronzam. Kwaku bronzam.
Daily graphic.
Daily graphic na me bro CJ. Na ora Samuel Jinapor dan for nim hanoma say why man nsem you so say action man. And I say nation one clampdown begins. Dealing with quarry land encroachers. Omo paya bo no ne ade a kire say ubehwa na obi di na fidie akosi na ebuo no say ne wan ne de ama no no afra say adwiri ni sa asem krofo ja pade no ne ade no say oman mu nyina obetusa obetu nyina so esa ena mampani Akufo-Addo so ne nsem okoka o BBC say economy no ye say ase kura eguso epejanimu no da ena fe CPP enso so nsem CPP in terms of legal fraternity to the rescue na say CPP owura Brighter Kwete na odaha no ye che no a wode ato ho no no legal de ato ho no no owura Brighter Kwete na ye won mo chairman na 3 MPs a mo kom ho asem no so one month on Samoa Aquacopia privileges committee no and also at the front page. Oko center spreader or say stakeholders meeting on sustainable fishing underway in Accra. No ewo ahanomo. And Ghana Health Service USAID signed MOU on behavioral change project and also ewo center spread. Daily graphic dia Waha in the Nako back page, I see women empowerment project launch in Bolga Tanga. You know, a daily graphic.
Okay, but for my main call my joy online. Na share the top story my joy online. I say your lordships can decide any way you want. Chachuchi Kata tells Supreme Court as the top story. I'm saying na my joy online story no ewo and Honorable Mubarak Muntaka my joy online story that Honma Adwaso Nsem children could be seized by American Social Welfare Department and only a defenser Honorable Muntaka or they or Tumu and Abra Speaker of Parliament the views no etu edwa there are more stories from Parliament. Minority Chief Whip files motion to revoke Backben's referral of 3 MPs to Privileges Committee. Emsa na pay Ajibra Kenkan motion no ewaha. Ma member shi na menko adomonline.com. Russia Western leaders to impose additional sanctions on Russia. There's a Russia in Ukraine and tokwa ekoso no ya de ason ebi ba be ka ho e de ato Russia o man no eso no ewaha. GPRTU to announce new transport fares and so ewo my adomonline.com and also benyebi na wakenkan and come on man penny His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo eko twetwe no ewo BBC san come no open ni nyina Adom online adaroma omo amake no available ewo ye site ha obetimi enya bi na wotimi akenkan wotimi eti nkoma oni Peter Okoche of the BBC's Focus on Africa etwetwen Edward no Adom online sam komo no ewa ha bafo
Ghanaian Times near no Privileges Committee the no hanti na Supreme Court to decide fate of assin North MP April busumi we need the tosu dumiensa and the Supreme Court better asem no na baby aseso wode tokra no wode ato na appear to support fund no so committee no o sisika wanya eda futuom sesia no 35.8 million Ghana cedis or the reconstruction of the community and a technical glitch and so school placement system no and ra o since MBC ho no chesa awofo na wo hwe so benya kwan ma placement system no no eniema ejigu kakra wo ho no Ghanaian Times dia wode ebre yen enie ma memfa delegate
monitor na mante no aba
ni nyina
gatasem
yakeka ni nyina ho nsem ti no de yakeka no boga MP na Kumase Shoe Factory design check footwear 3 MPs die no enso a hantina chese ya de obo krata mu
Emphasize Danoma Agbeve Herbal Center, Wayare Safi, latex from your partner for life, Vodafone Feather together. Madam Romania, the news review, no,